What is Canva? Canva, what is it that you do? Well, this is what Canva does. Canva is essentially a deceptively powerful design tool that allows you to do a multitude of things. Also, it's cloud-based, which is a good thing because clouds are where angels come from. And harps. As a freelance video editor, the reason I started using Canva is for the fonts. They're nicer than the fonts I have, and they can be animated in different ways while adding different elements. Say, for instance, I wanted to show what a monkey's thinking. I upload the footage of the adorable little munchy monkey, and then I simply add some thought bubbles. Oh, look at the little monkey, he's eating a flower. He's worried about his weight. No, that's a concern we all have. Oh, don't be so hard on yourself. Yeah, that's right. Indulge yourself every now and then. You deserve it. Hey, what? No. Even though I started using Canva to add fonts and animations to videos, I've also found plenty of other reasons to use this nifty little website. I've utilized Canva to write a resignation letter, make social media posts, design logos, create invitations, and I've also added different elements to videos that I produce for paying clients. Coffee. Pretty good, huh? That's a nice modern font. The next bit needed some pizzazz, so I added some animations, but I wanted to keep it subtle. Remember, less is more. Perfect. Want to know the best thing about Canva? It's free, baby! It costs nothing at all. There is, however, a paid version that unlocks all the features. If you want to give it a trial, I have a link down in the comments section. Trust me, it's worth a trial. Which is the best advice I can give you, other than to keep monkeys away from your cats. Now that you have an idea of what Canva do, the big question is, what sort of learning curve does it have? It's got to be some high-end, crazy, mathematical genius level piece of software, right? Well, I'm happy to tell you that it's all exceedingly simple. The majority of it is drag and drop. The interface is easy, but there's plenty of power beneath the hood. In fact, it's so easy that rumour has it the name Canva is a combination of the words can do and very easily. You know, that old saying, can do very easily. Okay, so what sort of computer do I need to run Canva? I hear you ask through the magic of standing outside your window. Well, if it helps at all, my PC is actually a series of small stones duct taped to the side of an arthritic snail. It's super slow. I upgraded it, and I can now play Fetris, which is a knockoff version of Tetris. Instead of falling blocks, my PC just overheats and catches on fire. Basically, Canva is kind of like Photoshop, but you don't need to be William Einstein to use it. I genuinely find Canva to be a tool I use at least once a day. If you'd like a breakdown of some of the most useful features, then please subscribe as I'll be releasing tutorials on how to use Canva. Anyway, I'm off to go play some Fuper Fario Frothers. See you in the next video.